The air is filled with timeless streams, carving shapes where movement gleams. Each layer forms a boundless sea, together forging lasting beams. We move as waves that never slow, an unseen tide begins to grow. Pathways form where we let go, guided lines that always flow. Rise with every changing tide, feel the pull we cannot hide. Bound together, energy so real, every turn reveals the zeal. Harmony leads as we feel, moments collide to seal the deal. Beneath the surface where forces meet, winding roads become complete. A timeless call that guides each beat, unseen powers make life sweet. That shapes the space, every motion leaves a trace. Gently drifting through this place, tides align and leave their grace.